This is Poe AI, which is a collection of artificial intelligence tools. Accessible through Poe.com or the Poe app, you can use Poe AI to generate text, images, videos, and audio content. Let's use Poe to generate some images. We'll prompt, a person walking down an ancient Roman marketplace. Almost instantly, Poe crafts a vivid image representing that era. We can adjust our prompt to make the marketplace busy, adding bustling crowds to the scene. We can shift the setting to a semi-futuristic Brazil easily, and we can create a scene on a space station in the year 2200. But why stop at images? With Poe AI, you can turn any image into a video. Here's our space station scene, now animated. We do the same with the Roman marketplace and Brazilian cityscape, adding motion and depth. That was a look at Poe's image and video AI tools, but Poe also excels at text generation. Let's type a prompt to a text AI. Produce a 90-second voiceover script explaining Poe AI's features. We'll give it a few more details, and in seconds, Poe provides a well-crafted script highlighting its own capabilities. Now that we have our script from the AI, we'll switch from Poe's text-generating tools, and we'll utilize one of Poe's audio-generating AIs. We use Poe's audio AI to create a voiceover track. We select a mid-40s male voice, intellectual but approachable, to set the perfect tone for our video. We bring everything together in a video editor. The result? A fully AI-generated video that showcases Poe's features, created entirely using Poe AI.